Good morning. Welcome to Dumb Money. I woke up to the Today Show this morning telling me that the new big trend is more nutritious, still delicious. Instead of doing one lunch today, we're actually going to stop by 3 different restaurants, each serving fake food.
None of these meals are Dumb Money approved.
This really is a mega trend. Small startups and entrepreneurs are disrupting the consumer food market like never before.
Vegan meat, cauliflower pizza dough, avocado popsicles, hummus ice cream, CBD infused into everything we consume.
We're gonna try out the Impossible Burger, the Beyond Meat Burger, and then we're gonna try something different. We're gonna try a cauliflower pizza crust and see if we have a potential investment play here.
You should get Jordan, because Jordan actually eats this crap, don't you, Jordan?
No, I don't eat soy products or fake meat burgers. I do eat the cauliflower crust, but mainly I eat real food.
Don't you make like spaghetti with like, what do you make spaghetti with?
We make it with the spaghetti squash. Yeah, spaghetti squash.
We missed out on the Beyond Meat IPO. It's up 400%. It was the best first day of an IPO in like 2 decades.
Be it gluten intolerance or keto-inspired diets, the cultural shift towards health and environmentally sensitive food trends is undeniable.
We're looking for the best ways to profit from consumer interest in these new, smaller food brands that are creating innovative products that can scale nationally.
This Beyond Meat, what is it made from?
Beyond Meat?
There's no soy, so you'll eat it, right?
Yeah, I could possibly eat it.
So Beyond Meat, made from a mixture of pea protein isolates, rice protein, mung bean protein, coconut oil, and other ingredients like potato starch, apple extract, sunflower, pomegranate, a range of vitamins and minerals.
Mung bean is on fire right now, by the way. I want to invest in mung bean.
You have the most random thoughts.
It is.
I've never tried either of these fake meat-like products. We're gonna fix that today. And Jordan has been raving about this cauliflower pizza crust. Last time I tried cauliflower pizza crust, it was disgusting. It was like just shredded and mashed together and did not resemble crust at all.
I can't believe I'm gonna have a fake burrito.
Right here. There it is.
I think this place is literally the first time I ever heard of Beyond Meat.
How long have we been out of the Beyond Meat? Maybe a week.
Are you getting more soon, or?
I don't know.
So is it pretty popular?
It's a shortage.
How many people order this on average? Like, is it like 10% of your customers, or?
I don't know. I mean, a lot of people mix and match too. Like we have our days, like on Sunday.
Would you say like 5-10% of people get that?
Sure. 10.
All right, thanks. All right, thanks guys, appreciate it. We're just here for that.
Yep.
It makes me even madder now that I did not invest in Beyond Meat. I can't even keep it in stock.
That's more important than me having to eat that. We just found out that it's popular enough to be sold out. That's a big deal.
This episode's going great so far. A no-go at Freebirds, but BurgerFi just down the road has Beyond Meat.
Are we ordering it with condiments? Like, I feel like we should taste the meat primarily, right?
Yeah, let's get a fake meat with cheese and a real meat with cheese.
Yeah. Neither of you prepared for today. I ate a huge breakfast. I was prepared to hate lunch today and not eat anything. One Beyond Meat burger, cheeseburger. Okay. And then one regular cheeseburger. Oh, prepared the exact same way. Okay. Medium, same way. Okay. Do a lot of people order the Beyond Meat burger?
Yeah.
Like 2% or 20%?
20, maybe.
20%?
Yeah.
1 out of 5 people are coming in here ordering the fake burger.
Yeah. Well, the Beyond Burger, yeah.
That's insane.
Yeah.
Here we are, trying our first Beyond Meat.
On, here it is, so, all right. I just
I promise. You don't even know.
Wow.
It's really good.
That's,
How you feel about it?
that's actually really good. Oh my God. It's like slightly different.
Yeah, the texture's a little bit different.
I could actually eat that. It's not.
I have heard other people saying that they prefer at least the Impossible Burger.
I think it's fine. if I was stuck somewhere and they were like out of the regular meat burger, I'd be like, fine, I'll get the
Beyond.
Yeah.
Anybody can invest in Beyond Meat. It's public now.
company.
It's up like 4 or 5x since its IPO, but anybody can invest in it. I can't get myself to pull the trigger on that one at 4x where it was 60 days ago. But Impossible Foods, I want to try the Impossible Burger. That's private. It's up a lot, not up as much as Beyond Meat.
We need to go try the Impossible Meat Burger.
Yes.
Right now.
Can we order one of the Impossible cheeseburgers with no sauce and no onion?
What kind of cheese did you want to add?
Just whatever you normally put, cheddar, I guess.
This is the Impossible Burger.
Smells decent. So I think this one looks a little bit better even than the Beyond Meat Burger.
I don't think it looks a little bit better. I think it looks 100% like beef.
Burger. Like you have to get some with just the burger.
It's impossible.
Real hard.
Yeah, I don't like that. This one seems more like meat, but like a weird fake meat that is exactly what it is.
50% of the people in a taste test thought that this was the real meat versus the actual meat when they had to choose. So it was like a 50-50 split.
Really?
Yeah.
Actually, you know what? The aftertaste tastes like meat, but the front of the flavor, I feel like does not.
It definitely has more of a distinctive flavor to it, but it's good.
I've never liked Burger King, and that tastes like it'd be perfect in Burger King. I totally get behind the trend. I can't get behind this particular burger, but I see this as potentially a good investment, even if I personally don't like it.
We're late in the game on the meat play, okay? Late in the game. I'm not saying that we shouldn't invest in Impossible Foods prior to their IPO, but we're late in the game. We're still early in the game when it comes to all the other alternative food products that are just starting to hit shelves this year.
Well, there's one that I'm particularly excited about, and that's cauliflower or cauliflower.
Very hard. Those are next to impossible to get in.
But they don't just make pizza crust. You know this, right? They make pastas and all sorts of things.
Everything, yeah. And the cauliflower trend is huge. I've been tracking cauliflower now for about 18 months, and the trend continues to gain traction month after month. The problem with these investments is they are really, really hard to get into, okay? A lot of celebrities are investing in these CPG brands now, these health-oriented CPG brands, and it's difficult for guys like us to get into them. But recently we were introduced to a lady, Denise, and she works closely with celebrities to match celebrities and major influencers with startup brands. And because they're celebrities, these startup food companies want them to invest. We're going to get to invest alongside of them. So I think we're going to get a lot of deal flow this next year. We don't normally invest in funds, but this is an exception.
Speaking of cauliflower, though, I have not tried a cauliflower pizza in like 5 years because they were terrible, and I've heard the technology and the flavor and everything is so much better. Can we not eat the rest of this burger and go try the cauliflower pizza?
The cauliflower pizza is across the street, so let's check it out. I really dislike cauliflower, so I cannot imagine that I'm going to like this pizza, but if 60% of their customers order cauliflower, it must be good.
How popular is the cauliflower?
Yes, super popular.
Is it like 2% or 20% of your...
Now it's like 80% here.
No. I mean, if like people ordering pizza.
If they order the pizza,
No,
so I
saying 80% of the customers order cauliflower?
80%, yeah.
I don't believe it. But she seems
That's
pretty
unbelievable.
confident in that number.
Well, she would know.
I would 100% believe that number. It is. You won't be able to taste the difference. It tastes great.
I'm really surprised. It looks good.
Do really half your customers order the cauliflower?
I wouldn't say that half of them do.
But like a lot. But is it like 20, 30%?
Yeah, that's probably.
That's still impressive. Okay, I do not like cauliflower, so my expectations are really low.
Yeah.
Wow, that really does taste
Not bad.
like
completely normal pizza dough.
That does not at all look like anything weird. It looks like it's made out of flour. So what are they doing?
But I've had gluten-free dough numerous times, and it tastes nothing like.
I think the key with this stuff is that they're dehydrating the cauliflower to a point that it's almost like a floury type substance.
She said that 60% of the customers that were walking in were ordering cauliflower pizza crust. The cashier said 30%. Let's just call either way.
That's a trend.
No.
And this is one of the few places that I know of to get it. I mean, we were Googling trying to find a cauliflower pizza place. This might be it. If this is gluten-free and better for you than normal pizza crust, which I imagine it is, I would absolutely eat this.
Check out this Google Trends chart for a cauliflower pizza. That's a nice trend graph right there.
Which would explain why their sales are concentrated on cauliflower. People are coming here because of it. If Domino's were to offer it tomorrow and it tasted this good, would you ever order normal crust again?
Maybe not.
I 100%
That
wouldn't.
would be
Yeah.
a game changer. That's something I would want to invest in.
Yeah.
I feel like cauliflower and maybe something else that comes next will be...
Well, I have some. I think I might just maybe have this something next. I want to bring you guys a little bit of a surprise. I didn't tell you about it. This is a dessert product that my kids have been eating for almost 2 years now. They eat it for breakfast every morning, and you know how I am. You know how I am about sugar, right? It's a cookie, okay? Either they're flat out lying about their sugar content, which is 2 grams a cookie, or this is the world's best healthy dessert, and it's a small company. Let me take you to the world's best healthy dessert. So here's what made me think of Alyssa's cookies, because they've been in my house forever. Like, why didn't I think of this sooner? They just came out with chocolate chip cookies. And I'm telling you, the chocolate chip version of what they do would blow your mind. Maybe the best chocolate chip cookie I've ever had. Still 2 grams of sugar. No, I think this is where right here.
Why don't they have a sign?
Put this out. They're sold out.
Chocolate chip completely sold out.
The chocolate chip version of this cookie is what's going to like set it off. I found out that Mark Cuban invested in this company like 5 years ago, okay?
I'm actually not upset that the chocolate chip are sold out. Call me crazy, but I prefer oatmeal cookies. My girlfriend thinks I'm insane.
They're not cheap, but they're worth it.
How much are they?
It's $6 for 8 tiny cookies. Our viewers can order these right now online. I would love, hey, please go order some of the chocolate chip ones. It's Alyssa's Cookies, ALYSSA cookies.com. These are the healthy Choco Bites, okay? Let us know what you think, whether or not we should invest in this company. If you have one of them, you'll be a customer for life. Oh, it's not bad. 2 grams of sugar.
I could totally eat that.
Right?
And another.
Right, there you go, right? I'm telling you, it's insane.
So waiting for a phone call. Chris is supposed to call me. He says he has an important update for our food investment. We talked to the cookie company. We got in touch with Mark Cuban's people. Despite the very simple homemade looking packaging and homemade looking website, we found out they're actually well funded and doing plenty in sales and aren't taking investments. So I don't know what this is about.
Jordan.
Yeah.
Hey, all right, I have Dave on. You there, Dave?
I'm here.
Okay, just the most timely news ever. You know how for 6 months now I've been putting out feelers around everyone that was willing to talk to me about trying to get shares in Impossible Foods, the Impossible Burger, which we just had.
Yeah.
Impossible to find shares anywhere.
Impossible to get impossible.
Just like the burger.
Yeah, just like the burger. As it turns out, a friend of a friend of a friend has located shares from a shareholder that just closed on this last round that, for reasons that I can't quite figure out, is willing to sell those shares for just 5% more than the last round. So the last round was about $2 billion. So these shares would be at a valuation of about $2.1 billion.
Wait a minute. Is Impossible the one that I didn't like the way it tasted though?
That is the
I liked
Leave
Beyond,
your
but I didn't like
bias out of
Impossible.
it. Every
Oh,
burger,
no.
Dave, every
Oh,
Burger King
I know.
in the country
The Impossible
will have
Whopper.
the Impossible Burger.
The Impossible Whopper is huge, but
Burger King said
I
they've already
don't know.
increased their foot traffic 18%. So
okay. Well, forgot which one this was. I'm gonna have to rethink this. I'll make a decision. I'll make a decision in time.
Okay, so our vegan meat deal is done. Now we can focus exclusively on cauliflower pizza dough. All right.
I love that cauliflower pizza.
All right, I'm moving forward. All right.
All right.
Later.
All right, see ya.
Just goes to show that if you pursue your investment thesis aggressively enough, doors will eventually open for you. I'm excited to get my allocation in Impossible Foods. I don't let my personal bias or taste impact my investment decisions like Dave does, but who knows? We'll find out who made the right decision here in the next 18 to 24 months.
I don't know. I'll think about that one. That's going to do it for this episode. Thank you guys so much for watching We're Dumb Money. We'll see you next time.